Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be vlogging, just going to farm with my family. See them. Nove, yeah, you show your face. So we are just going to farm today. Please just follow along in the video, okay? So guys, for today my younger sisters also join us to go to farm today. As you can see them at the back. So we are going to farm today to harvest our cassava for Gary. So you guys will be making Gary to go back to school. I'll be going back this weekend, so please just follow along on the video. So guys, we are here again, crossing to the other side to our farm to harvest the cassava. So I posted the first farm video on my channel. If you haven't watched that, please, I'll link it in my description box. Please go check it out. That particular one was to harvest yam, and today is cassava. And we are here again to fetch water today to take to our farm to drink. So after that, we'll just head to the farm and then harvest the cassava. And we will pack it home, peel it, and then continue with the process of the Gary making. And you guys, today my brother also joined us to come to farm today. So I'll actually see you guys when we are done harvesting and then packing home. See you guys later. Bye.
Look at me. I'm living in your pool. Chef 15.